out some amazing collection of Banarsi saris in lovely colors. We have a lovely purple Banaras sari here, which you can actually style from the day to evening. Really depends on the vibe.
So basically, this is the Bangani purple, brinjal purple. And it's a beautiful, it has all the elements of a bridal Banarsi. It's an all over jal, it has the sonaru. So like again, once you have the silver and the gold, you can do multiple things with your styling also. So that works really well.
Whatever the occasion is, whether it's the wedding, a traditional day event, or it's the evening reception, you could style it with either gold or diamonds.
Also, look at this. I thought this pallu was gorgeous and the color is really in. A bright color for a young bride.
This is the typical pink of a Banarsi, and it's a all over buttidar. And the special feature of this sari is the konya, where there is a mango in the corner. So, saris like this are timeless pieces.
Keep the styling contemporary with a sleeveless blouse, or just go classic with a pink on pink. You can never go wrong. I just love styling a bright color with something contemporary like ivory. I think it's just brings it a fresh look. We've just personally pulled out some amazing collection of Banarsi saris, and we're going to be talking about it. We're going to take you through the collection, the weaves, the colors, and just the way to style it.
Yeah. This is a classic red Banarsi. It's an all over kadwa jal with a sona rupa. We've used motifs from the Shikargar family.
Yeah, so this is a very classic Banarsi which can be worn in so many different ways.
So whatever your vibe is, if you're wearing it for your wedding, I would do a beautiful traditional drape.
And if you're taking into a fun contemporary evening wear look, then you could probably drape it over a skirt. Or it could just be a lovely take on a half sari, don't you think?
Yeah.
Kaushalya, I was just drawn to the sari instantly. Just look at the weave, the motifs, something very regal about it.
And the way you've draped it is like how the queens used to do earlier,
So this particular sari is again a jal, but Banarsi,
interestingly, also adds a note of Victorian influences in their motif language.
And this one is another kind of a flower, again a Victorian flower.
But I love how both of them are coming together so well as an ensemble.